the first Prince and Princess, and of course the Lord and Lady of English 2024. Are you ready to know the winners? Alright, now, so to present the award for the second Prince of English 2024 and second Princess of English 2024, can we have here on stage Mr. Kenneth Mendoza, Dr. Arnie Christian Villena, Dr. Naja Luna, Mr. Miguel Toralba, and Miss Gwyneth Abriones, please, here on stage. For our second Prince of English, for our second Prince of English, can we have a drum roll, please? Yeah. For the second Prince of English, we have contestant number 6 from the College of Computing, Arts and Sciences, Wayne Christian Santiago. And for our second Princess of English 2024, we have contestant number 2 from the College of Computing, Arts and Sciences, Michelle Grace Adarlo. Once again, our second Prince of English 2024 is contestant number 6 from the College of Computing, Arts and Sciences, Wayne Christian Santiago. And second Princess of English 2024 is contestant number 2 from the College of Computing, Arts and Sciences, Rochelle Grace Adarlo. Let's give them a round of applause, please. And now, to present the award for the first Prince and Princess of English, can we have on stage Mr. Stanley Abanto, Dr. Arnie Christian Villena, Dr. Naja Divina Luna, Rosalie Taniero, and Stephanie Manalo on stage, please. Can we also have on stage Dr. Cherry Tamayo here to join us? And now our first Prince of English 2024 is from First Prince of English is from CBA, contestant number 4, Armando De Leon. And our first Princess of English 2024 is from First Princess of English 2024 is from College of Allied Medical Professor Denise Monlawi. And that means our Lord of English 2024 is contestant number 3 from the College of Nursing, Christian Candy Castro, and Lady of English 2024 is from Nursing as well, Sophia Odette Gonda. And to award our Lord and Lady of English 2024, can we have Dr. Jamie Lee Mendoza, Mr. Leandre Bassett, the Lord of English 2023, and Ms. Maria Isabel Gloria Petsai, Lady of English 2023. J.P. Mendoza to present the award together with Mr. Leandri Bassett, Lord of English 2023, and Ms. Maria Isabel Gloria Pascal, Lady of English 2023. Once again, our Lord of English 2024.
Dalawa ng corona ni Bunso. Woo! Dalawa ng crown. Woo! Woo!
Once again, our Lord and Lady of English 2024 is from the College of Nursing, Management, and Picasso, and Miss Sofia Odessa Buda. And that concludes our Lord and Lady of English 2024. Once again, congratulations to all our winners. And of course, thank you very much for your participation and for your active support for this year's Intercollegiate Academic and Chef Festival Competition. Thank you very much, everyone. Once again, this has been Dr. Janai Fast, your host. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, everyone.